4-minute workout after waking up to slim down your legs. If you're not entirely confident in the size or shape of your legs, but don't have any time or desire to hit the gym every day, then we have some great news for you. You can make your legs slimmer, sexier, and more toned in just 3 months with the help of this simple 4-minute morning workout. And guess what? You can do it right now as you watch this video. So grab your sportswear and let's get into it. Number 1. Warm-up, jogging in place. Before every workout, even a short one, it's extremely important to get your body ready. It's called a warm-up for a reason. It increases your blood circulation, which, in turn, warms up your muscles to prevent injury. Your tendons and ligaments become more flexible, significantly reducing your risk of tearing something. Finally, it also prepares you mentally by slowly easing you into some physical exercise. The best way to warm up your body in the morning and prepare it for a leg workout is jogging in place. Start by doing kickbacks. This is basically jogging in such a way that your heels touch your butt. Keep doing this for 15 seconds. After that, jog in place while lifting your knees up to waist level. This is called high knee marching, and try to do it for 15 more seconds. Great job! You're all warmed up. Now let's get down to the main set of exercises. Number 2, bodyweight lunges. We're gonna begin with lunges. With any exercise, form is key. As for lunges, it's important to get the right starting position to perform them correctly. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your shoulders back and your chin up. Look straight ahead. Engage your core muscles. This is crucial. You can put your hands on your hips if it feels more comfortable for you. All right, now you're ready to start lunging. Slowly step forward on your right foot. It doesn't have to be a big step. Your lunges don't need to be too deep. Bend your right leg at the knee so that it makes a 90-degree angle. Your knee should stay right above your toes and no further. As you do the previous step, your left leg will simultaneously lower to the floor. Your left knee should float right above the floor or mat. Hold this position for a few seconds, and then push off your right leg to get back into the starting position. Do 10 reps on your right leg. 9, 8, 7, keep it up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 10 more on the left leg. Go. Watch your form. And done! Lunges aren't just great at sculpting the legs. They also provide you with improved balance as well as better flexibility in your spine and hip flexor muscle. Number 3, outer thigh lifts. Get into the starting position by doing the following. Lie down on the mat with your right side so that your hips, shoulders, and head are aligned. Rest your head in your right hand and place your left hand on your left hip. Now for the actual exercise. With your right leg straight and planted against the mat, slowly lift your left leg. Keep it in the air for a couple of seconds, then lower it back down. Do 10 lifts on this side. Don't rush it. Try to be slow and deliberate. Nice work! Now turn over on your left side and get ready to lift your right leg. Again, let's do 10 reps. While doing this exercise, make sure you don't lean your body either backward or forward. Outer thigh lifts strengthen your hips and, obviously, your outer thighs. So kiss those saddlebags goodbye because this exercise will burn the fat right off. Number 4, Plié slides. You've probably seen and admired the lean yet strong legs of ballet dancers. Well, this next exercise was inspired by exactly this graceful type of dance. Here's how to perform Plié slides. Stand up straight with your hands on your hips. Press your heels tightly together while keeping your toes turned out to the sides at about a 45-degree angle. Take a big step to the side with your right foot. Keep those toes pointed outwards. Bend your knees to lower your body towards the floor. Your knees should never extend past your toes. Keep your back straight and your abs tight. Hold this position for 2 seconds, and then stand up again and bring your right heel back to the left one. Do 10 slides with your right foot. 9, 8, 7, 6, keep your back straight, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now get ready to step to the side with your left foot. Give me 10 on this side now. Go! Remember to watch your form. Well done! This exercise will chisel your inner and outer thighs as well as your quads and glutes. Besides toning the legs, Plié slides also strengthen the lower body. Number 5, frog jumps. To get into the starting position, act like you're sitting in an invisible chair, only your feet should be set wider than shoulder width apart and your toes turned outward. Jump up and a bit forward. Try to land on your toes. As you land, go back into a squat, which was our initial position. Repeat this squat jump squat movement for 1 minute straight. Remember to keep your shoulders back and really try to keep your core engaged as you do this exercise. Your knees and your feet should be pointed in the same direction, outward. Since frog jumps are a plyometric exercise, you burn calories extremely fast. This helps your legs slim down by sculpting and tightening your thighs. What's more, this exercise also has an afterburner effect, which means that even after you finish doing it, calories continue to be burnt throughout the next 24 hours. Let's sum it all up. Number 1, warm-up jogging. Kickbacks 15 seconds, high knee marching 15 seconds. Number 2, bodyweight lunges. Right leg 30 seconds, left leg 30 seconds. Number 3, outer thigh lifts. Right side 30 seconds, left side 30 seconds. Number 4, Plié slides. Right leg 20 seconds, left leg 20 seconds. Number 5, frog jumps, 60 seconds. Altogether, this leg workout comes to just a hair over 4 minutes. Surely you have under 5 minutes a day to work towards getting the legs of your dreams. Keep doing it for 3 months and that's exactly what you'll get. What leg slimming exercises do you know? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.